Exit Live is a platform that lets artists sell their recordings to fans. I'm going to give you a brief overview to show how you get from creating a profile to sell your first show in just a few minutes. Whether you're an artist who wants to sell the recordings or a fan who wants to purchase them, you need to create an account first. To do that, you need to click on Sign In, then Register Now, enter your email address, and click Send. You will then receive a confirmation email with an activation link. Once the link is clicked, you can finish the registration by entering the remaining necessary data, like your full name, your country, and your password. The registration is now complete. On a side note, I'd like to point out that any user who has a Google or Facebook account can use those services to register at Exit Live by clicking Sign In and then choosing their service. They will then be asked to select a country and agree to our terms and conditions. If you're an artist and you want to start selling your recordings and create a profile, you can go to the dashboard, and the link to the dashboard is right here after finishing the registration. Currently, Exit Live is in beta and we only allow a certain number of people to get access to the dashboard. To request beta access, you simply need to click the button and you are then in a queue. You will be notified when your request to access the beta is accepted by email. In order for me to show you the dashboard, I will whitelist this user immediately, however. You can see that the user now received an email telling them that they are now part of the Exit Live beta and that they have now access to the dashboard. When they follow the link, they see a form to create a new page. To showcase the demo, I will create a profile for the band Test Band. You can select whether the page you are creating is for a venue or a performer. In this case, we're going to choose a performer because it's a band. Then you select a subtype, which can be a band, a choir, a comedian, etc. In this case, let's choose band. And the currency. Exit Live allows artists to choose from many currencies and takes care of converting purchases being made with other currencies automatically. Now that the page is created, I need to fill in the remaining information for this profile. This means writing a band description and uploading a profile and a banner image. Once the images are uploaded and the profile has been completed, we can publish the page so it's visible for other people. The profile can now be viewed on the Exit Live website. As you can see, there are no shows yet and nothing can be purchased. Let's go back to the dashboard and create our first show. So in the dashboard, I select Shows, Add Show, and I enter the name of the venue. In this case, let's say the venue Flex in Vienna. Once the show has been created, I can select the price. And I can already see the share that I will get in the end, which is €6.35. I then need to upload a cover image for this show. And optionally, I could upload a banner image as well. I will then need to add the tracks to this show. So let's click Create Track, enter the track name, and provide the information about the composer, the text authors, the arrangement, and if available, the ISWC. In this case, let's say the Test Band was the composer, the text author, and the arranger of this song. We could also check the explicit checkbox or say that this track is exempt from royalties, for example, if it's a classical recording. In this case, let's leave it like that. So now we have created our first track for this show. So let's select an audio file for this track. This can be done by simply dragging the audio file onto the track itself. We now have a finished show with a price, a venue, a track with an audio file, and the cover image. This means that we could now start selling the show. We do this by selecting the state On Sale. When setting a show state to On Sale, Exit Live asks you whether you want to notify all your followers about the new show. The show is now fully created and visible on our profile. So let's go back to Exit Live and reload the page. There it is. We can click on it. See, it's available for €10. And there is the track that we just uploaded. We can now listen to a preview of about 30 seconds if the track is longer than that. Each user account can manage multiple artist pages. If I click on this icon, I can see all the pages that I'm currently managing, which is just the one band that I just created. If I'm a manager or a label, I can manage all the venues and bands that I'm in charge of with one user account without having to log out and in of my account. If I wanted to add another page, I would simply click the Add Page button, choose the name for the new page, select the type, in this case we'll choose a venue, and the subtype, which can be a bar or a club, a church, a concert hall, a festival, an opera house, etc. In this case, let's choose a bar or club. And again, the currency for this account. If I now go back to the list of pages, I can see that there are two pages. One is grayed out because it's not published yet, and the other one is fully active. In addition to that, every page can be managed by multiple users. So if I go back to the test band, I can go to admins and see that currently there's only one administrator. I can add another one. And now both of these accounts have full control over this page. As I said before, there is no difference between a user account for an artist page or a fan. So let's go back to the Exit Live main site. And let's say I want to purchase this show. I would simply click on it. And after previewing the audio file, click Buy. Enter my credit card number. And the rest of the information. And pay. Additionally, a user can click Remember Me, so the next time they don't need to fill out this information. Once it's done, a user can download each audio file in a show by clicking the Download button, or listen to the show on Exit Live. They will also receive an email with the receipt. As a fan, I can follow each artist by clicking the Follow button. This means that I will receive updates every time the artist creates a new show on sale and decides to notify all their followers. Thank you for watching.